Godzilla right there on the Toyo tires. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy. You already know. I was making sure it was recording. Anyway, it's your boy. Remember I told y'all we was going to the cruise. We about to go to the cruise right now. You already know. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do this so you guys can see everything that's going on right here in front of me. Let me see. Aim it down some. There we go. Yep, there we go. So if you watched the last video, remember I told y'all that we was going to be going to the other car meet the very next day. So that's what we about to do. We're about to go to this other car meet. Let me see. Where is it at?
Let's go. In 600 feet. Then make a U-turn.
So, yep. We're going to go ahead and do that. About to go to this other car meet.
Turn left on Chapel View Drive. Then turn right on Calverton Boulevard.
I'm trying to see something. I think, yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. This feel kind of weird though, cause
turn right on Calverton Boulevard.
Right here, in the way. See, this joint like right in the way. So, but I figured out how to get it so it's straight when I'm recording.
In 900 feet, turn right on Beltsville Drive.
Trying to see. There you go. Is that better for you guys right there? It's more faced downward. I think, yeah, there we go. Like that.
Turn right on Beltsville Drive.
It's not blocking my vision either, which is crazy.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on Powder Mill Road.
It's like right in between my eyes, so it's not blocking my vision. It's weird. It's like I see it, but I don't see it.
In 1,000 feet, use the left 3 lanes to turn left.
That's the crazy part. It's like I see it, but I don't see it. It's kind of weird. Hello?
Hey, what time you say you gonna do that?
I don't know yet. I'm just now leaving, but they gonna be at the. I think we leave at the Cars and Boba. We leave from Arundel Mills at like 1:50ish.
Cause I might need help with something.
But I know it's not gonna. I don't know if it's gonna be like all day thing though. Cause once I get done with that, depending on what, because some of my friends going, depending on what they doing, I might just come right back to the house. So. Also, you on a YouTube video too, because you know I'm recording.
I need to drop this washer and dryer off. Somebody, I might need help, but just let me know. Let me know what time later on time you'll be back.
Alright. Oh yeah, also check out the YouTube video too, because it's uploaded. You know what my YouTube channel is? Go to my Instagram. It's in the bio on my Instagram. Alright.
In a quarter of a mile, exit to I-95 north toward Baltimore. Use the right lane to exit turn right to I-95 north toward Baltimore.
I pull up in that skirt, and that brr, and I get back to that ooh. Well, I pull up in that bird, and that skirt, and I get back to that ooh.
Left lane to stay to the left, I-95 north toward Baltimore.
Uh-oh, got a Mustang. Got a Mustang, Wayne. Got a must of the dang. Must of the stang, must of the stang. Must of the stang.
Continue straight for 11 minutes to exit 43A, Maryland 100 east toward Glen Burnie.
What's this guy doing? Yeah, you thought she was gonna keep up with me in that truck. See? Nigga came out of nowhere. I didn't even see him. They be trying to crash into you, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Stangs be trying to crash into you, y'all. Keeping up with no V8, man. But I know exactly who he about to hunt down now. Yeah. Up in the daytime, man, on a full tank of gas. This fool need to use his blinkers. I definitely thought I was tripping, but he was definitely getting over. The woman, exactly. Ain't that crazy? Lady on my ass like that in that damn Lexus. Yeah, I had to roll the window down, let them know they on camera. They keep on telling me. Low as a motherfucker, but you gonna get your bitch ass in front of me though. Yeah.
In 900 feet, use the left lane to stay to the left to Maryland 713 South.
I don't know why they put them bitches there for. Who will be coming this way and be sleepy?
Stay to the left to Maryland 713
Shit don't
South.
make any sense. I know where I'm at now. I don't need to see help. I know where I'm at. Jamaica, Jamaica. Alright, chat. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the camera here, but I'm gonna re-zoom it when I get to the car meet spot because we right around the corner. See what we got going on over here. Across the street real fast. Oh, a whole bunch of big boys over here. See what they got going on over here. Got the Miata crew.
I had to throw a stock 160 in mine. I've been using the shit out of it. I'm like, oh, what's the really point? It's like $150 for a brand new stuff.
Let's see what else they got over here.
But now it's starting to get a whole lot motion for it.
The old school.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, look at this John. This John clean. We got it.
I was trying to guess where it was going to go. I dodged
This John.
the head on. That's what I'm saying.
The 0813 WRX.
I got the rider.
Michelin tires on there. That motherfucker nasty. Yo. Yo, you here?
No, what time is right? What time y'all niggas right now?
I think at 150 something.
Alright, bet. Yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah, it's deep over here though.
Alright, bet.
They got Porsches over here. Oh, I'll say they got Porsches over here and everything.
So I went down there and they gave me a tour of the shop. So they have a chamber where they drive the car in. It sucks air out. And it's like,
Yeah, I'm gonna hit you.
Alright. This joint right here.
Like off a truck or something.
Color on this joint. Look at the paint on it. See the paint on it? See my reflection. The paint up by the seats.
Olha só quem chegou aí. Arrombado. Tá confundindo com esse aí? Já eu perdi. Cadê a tua estacionária?
Estamos no carrinho dele lá, agora tá assim. Tá ligado?
50 horsepower.
Motherfucker clean as hell.
Like Frederick area. It's gonna be. But drive.
Oh damn, listen.
But you'll know
Get my first hand on this motherfucker right here. Big boys right here. Godzilla right there. Calibers, I ain't never seen that before. It's Godzilla right there on the Toyo tires. Turbo to me. Close mouth. It's hard here. All the way. Look who done showed up.
No, I ate it here. Oh, yeah.
Look who done showed up. What up, what up? Whew.
The other little joint.
I think I know him though, but he got the 360 on his. The dude, remember him with the SS? Yeah, he got the 360 on his. Wish my engine bay looked that good. Yo. Can you hear me?
Where you guys going?
Huh?
Which way you guys headed?
You gotta come here first, cause they didn't give us that. We all like cruising out.
Car wash right now. I'm gonna slide up.
Shit, I should have went to the car wash. My shit, all my tires all muddy and shit. Like they like, yeah, this nigga be off roading with his shit or something like. Try to tell you, but yeah, boy, they got a R32 over here. You're not gonna be the only red car over here. They got a whole Godzilla over here. I seen a few Porsches over here. They got some BMWs. They got an S6, the S15 over here. I mean S14. This motherfucker's clean. Snow White S14. Trying to tell you. Alright, y'all, so let me see. Yeah, we about to roll out. I was making sure it's recording. Yeah, we about to roll out now. So let's get the address. Let's put it in the Waze.
Let's take Maryland 100 West and I-95 South. Arrival time on this route is similar to Maryland 32 West. Turn left, then turn right. Then turn right. Turn left, then turn right on Arundel Mills Boulevard.
Ooh, shit. Ready?
Turn left, then turn right on Arundel Mills Boulevard. Turn right, then turn right. Turn right on Arundel Mills Boulevard.
Let me point the camera down. There you go, see, I can see.
In half a mile, turn left on Maryland 100 West toward Ellicott City.
Y'all love the cruises, boy. I know y'all love the cruise content. I ain't gonna lie, I love it, so I know y'all loving it. I like the sticker to most some please be patient student driver. Oh man. Whew. Trying to warm my hands up some. Hell yeah. I was trying not to have it so much in my face, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna turn this heat on though. Florida Antique. Huh! Antique. That's funny. Oh shit. Yeah, go ahead.
In 1,000 feet, use the left two lanes to turn left on Maryland 100 West toward Ellicott City.
HKS. Look at that Hummer. Ooh, he got the pipes on that thing.
Turn left on Maryland 100 West toward Ellicott City.
Yeah, that Beamer. This is funny. slow. Nothing in front of him. Yo, go that way. Go. Cause that nigga right here driving slow. In that big ass truck. Come on, man. Veloster. Like a Velociraptor type shit. That'd be a tight little collab. Hyundai and Ford for the fucking Velociraptor R. Oh, why the fuck?
In 1,000 feet, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on Maryland 216 West toward Fulton.
To no one. It's the one, and that's Z2.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit on Maryland 216 West toward Fulton. Then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Either lane and take the second exit. Oh. Dun. Lot of roundabouts.
Use either lane, then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Oh, I'm getting hungry. Roundabout here. Roundabout here.
Use the right lane, then at the roundabout, take the first exit.
God damn, there's a lot
Then
of
use the
roundabouts.
left lane to turn left.
Yield. Damn, if you don't use your blinkers. Fuck around with these folks. Yo. What's up? We driving to the spot right now. The next spot. Oh shit, I didn't see you the address. You got my location? I thought I might have sent you the fuck. I thought I sent you the location. Alright, bet. 'Cause we heading more towards like past where I live at. Well, actually we heading like towards where you live at. 'Cause we going to Fulton, Maryland. Alright, I'm gonna send you the address.
Use the left lane to turn left.
Look, it's me.
Then turn left.
There's supposed to be more
Turn
room,
left.
but I don't see where that more room would be at exactly.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
Don't exactly see where it'd be more room at.
Turn left. Then turn left.
Turn left this way.
Turn left.
I ain't gonna lie, where the fuck is the extra room supposed to be at? Over there? I don't understand where is there more room for it.
Turn left. Then turn left.
Not even about to bullshit you, but it's hella room over here. Fuck it, I guess.
Then turn left. Turn left. In 500 feet, you'll arrive at Gongcha. Your destination will be on your right.
Gongcha, the chosen one. Oh, that's a wide swing. That is a wide swing. Gong of the Cha. Oh wait, maybe it's down there. Either or. Fucking. Oh, that's fucking so tight. That is. Why didn't I think of that? That is tight. Why the fuck did I not think of that shit? Now I'm jealous. Why the fuck did I not think of that shit? Yo, that is smart. Why the hell I didn't think of that? That motherfucker clean. Damn. Huh? Oh shit, my bad. I ain't even paying attention. Yeah, that's why I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, why did I think of that until I saw that? I was like, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I probably couldn't.
Never get out.
Yeah, that was some good ass content though. I ain't even about to lie to you. That highway was a motherfucker like that. Ooh, look at that wing on that bitch. I want a wing like that for my shit. I'm gonna get one just like that for my shit. Maybe not as big, but it's gonna be one like that. Not even gonna lie to you. That motherfucking cruise was like that shit though.
You were cruising. Those headers fitted up to Ecotech.
Gotcha.
2.5 inch all the way out. And it's a whole bunch of different few modifications in there. It's all made up to stock driveline with the billet flywheel. Yeah. So I can't get racing beats out.
That's okay. That's okay. It's really okay.
Yeah, I'll take this over the racing beat personally.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh shit. Look at them fat ass tires on that thing. You ain't fucking around. Unc not messing around. That's gonna be you. It's like, nah.
That silver Mustang came through a while ago. I like that shit, but I want like a low lower like wing though. I don't like that. I ain't like that wing.
We got another one over here, another Impala.
Everybody going down there.
That's because it ain't no more room.
All the shit I want to look at.
Yo, that shit was so fun. Like, that shit was so fun. I had the most fun earlier. Y'all gonna see earlier in the clip. Damn, uploading 2 YouTube videos in one day. Because the other one was already uploaded from last night.
That's pretty much, yeah, same thing I'll be going for.
So when you do the LS, whatever the LS swap does, dude,
yeah,
that's what you should do.
They usually jump in between they go with the V8 subframe, V8 swap rear subframe. Either it just depends on the person. Some people like the Get Rag more, some people like the 40.
I know, right?
Rags come with quick swap gears for the rear though, so that's why I usually prefer it.
I want one of them.
Oh, dude.
Them motherfuckers badass. I'll probably come run one of them at Tucker's maybe. Not him though, he got a turbo, I hear it. Oh, he got the look at that. He got three tailpipes on that joint.
You got two. That's a here.
The middle one, nah. The middle one is a pipe. I'm looking at it right now. Ooh, look at that BMW right there. This is my dream car right here. This is my dream baby right here. I want one of these motherfuckers.
Power in that motherfucker.
I ain't fucking with his ass. And he on some Cadillac rims.
There you go.
Huh?
There you go.
Yeah! Look at that. Yes, sir. I like that right there. That's the shit right there. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see who I'm parked next to. Oh, I got another Honda to park next to me, surprisingly. Oh my god. This motherfucker clean.
Why you clean the wheels so you came out here?
I did clean them. They dirty again? Like another Honda right here? Yeah, they know what's up. They say, yeah, I'm about to park next to the, you know what I'm saying? Next to my uncle or granddad, because that's like one of the first gens. You know I need a new tire right here. This motherfucker about to go bald. Damn! You
need to rotate them.
Oh, that one's about to go bald. I need to get a whole new tire right there.
The whole tire.
Look, feel it. Yeah, that tread's leaving. That tread's leaving.
I guess I'm trying to get burnout.
Woo-wee. I can't tell if this is Tucker's or a parking chill.
Nah, this better.
This was prime Tucker's. Like Tucker's used to be just like this.
I don't like this parking lot. This parking lot is better than Tucker's.
Yeah.
Like there's only two things I had to do. Change it, steering wheel, and then the lights. And I had the GTS lights too.
The steering wheel with the button paddles.
Yeah, they're lame. The base ones. I was like, I can't live with that. I need the better ones. And if you want to try, my shift paddles are magnetic, so I wanted them as good as my sim.
Yeah, the magnetic. Yeah,
Yeah, because I couldn't stand it. I couldn't stand if my real paddles are worse than my sim.
Yeah, I don't even like these.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's what you want right there? That's what you want? You don't want the newer one? Look at the little dog. Look at the little dog.
I go back a couple Mustangs. That jump back here, that silver one back here.
That one back there?
That's the type I want. That's nice looking jump.
Damn, we got another Accord. Woo, that motherfucker clean. I don't know though. But I got competition. What you think? You think I got competition right now? It's like, nah. Yeah, boy, I driven one of these while I was at work at the auctions. This motherfucker nasty, boy. I'm trying to tell you. Listen to that idol. That's funny. I'm gonna spit flames. So you talking about this one right here?
No, nigga, that one.
What, that one? Oh, you like that generation?
You know, it's like you get there.
That's that classic right there. Now nobody know about that. That Crossfire. Oh, it's an SRT8? It's either it is or he probably put the badge on it. We gonna see though. Uh-oh. They got the chairs out here. Oldsmobile. Yeah, you need to get you one of them. That's that big boy shit right there. Red double. I hear you. Let's see what he got. Got the Beamer Weemer. Yellow mustard right there. I want to look at this joint. Get a good picture of that shit right there. That motherfucker clean. Only if I could afford one of these. Look at them rims on that thing. Man, look at this wing. Look at this wing. Imagine this on my car. That's what I'm saying. It wouldn't look right. I'm gonna get. It's gonna be one like this, but it's gonna be smaller. It's gonna look big on my car. Let me say it like that. If I put it on this, it's not gonna look that big. See, that's what I'm gonna get. You see that? That little pipe like that? That's what I'm gonna get for mine. No, ain't that one the muffler joint? Yeah, that one the muffler extension joint. Well, look at that paint on it. Dang. Man, it's a lot. I can't wait to do this summer, man. I'm trying to tell you. My car gonna probably look different by the time it's summer.
Your money, right?
Trust. I'm determined now. After seeing this, I'm determined. Getting quite jealous. Everybody getting pictures of their cars. The only time I get a picture is I'm parked in between some cars. Like, I'm getting quite jealous around here. I'm about to switch hands though. My hands starting to freeze.
Over there with the truck.
Alright, let's see what's down here. Huh?
He can push this right back. Like, he had the fucking thing on his head.
What are you talking about?
You had like a little thing on the ride, like a little headband thing.
I actually bought that green belt you have. I think it's that one.
Yeah.
But it was too loose with this one.
Yeah, it's supposed to be self-tightening.
I see why they standing right here, nice and warm. Feel like a bonfire right here.
So
And it's got the. Well, so that's the grip tech.
I'm getting jealous. He all touching the heat and everything. He getting most of the heat right there.
When I originally got this, I didn't think I was gonna get the tune.
Remember when I wanted a Cadillac? This was like one of the first cars I think that joint cool before I seen anything else.
And then I ended up getting it tuned anyway.
How much did you make?
Then I seen a souped up Honda drive by and my attention was always on that. Yeah, that's cool, but that Honda looks cooler. When I was a kid, I didn't know. Oh, is that my boy?
So that's going to help you out.
Bashi! Yes, sir! Woo! He got the Gloria out. Okay. You see him? Oh, you about to get a picture? Hold on. Let him get that picture.
I got that guy too.
You got it?
I got both of them.
What up?
Hey, what do you call? I don't got no mask on.
Shit, you good?
Hey, fuck you. This is gonna happen one day.
The heck is that? Yeah.
I'm gonna walk this way now.
Yep, I'm definitely this my people's right here.
Actually got a video.
Yep. Everybody got their camera out today. Yeah. Man, everybody got a little white girl. I need to give me a little white girl. Uh-huh.
What you think?
Give me a little white joint. Look at that joint right there. She got BBL on her shit. Thick as fuck. Oh, I driven one of these. This motherfucker fast as shit. Ooh, my bad.
My bad. I don't want to get your video.
Mustang. Huh?
It was at Joe.
Who?
That Mustang.
This one? Oh yeah, he was. Damn, look at the minivan. Damn, that motherfucker clean. Is it Hemi? Ma, see, that's what your truck would look like if you was to modify it, just a little bit, a little something basic.
I got a fucking Mustang, boy. You won't see that no more. My dad, whatever happened to the other child?
Got the Mustang. I don't need it no
I'll never
more.
pull up on you with that shit again. You never see that shit unless you were on the crib.
Man, fuck this. I'm about to buy the Civic, yo. I'm buying the Civic. I was like, nah, I'm gonna stick with the Accord. I'm like, nah, I'm about to get another car. They were all over there.
Everybody behind them bitches.
Yeah, they all over there.
There with them. This nigga's in the truck.
Woo! Got the sound system in it and everything. I wish my engine bay looked that good. They got over here. Seen some of these cars already.
There ain't nobody in the park.
Damn, what the fuck is that? Saying now. What else they got down here? Some Mustangs. It's Mustang City right here. I'm in the wrong territory. Look at all these Mustangs. This V8 territory. I'm in the wrong territory right now. I ain't messing with none of them. They got the SI over here though. Oh, no, you good. About to swap hands anyway. Fingers getting too cold. Jesus. Oh, look, take that picture behind you. Take that picture behind you. Get them out of there. That's what your truck would sound like if you did something to it. I want one of them too. I'll definitely get one of them. If it be a V8, it's one of them in that other car I showed you. I get the twinsies of them. That motherfucker nasty.